Understanding shadow lifting in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, shadow lifting. This isn't your everyday English expression, so get ready to add something unique to your vocabulary. First things first, let's break down the phrase. Shadow refers to a dark area or shape produced by a body blocking light. Lifting, on the other hand, typically means to raise to a higher position. When we combine these, shadow lifting metaphorically suggests bringing light to something hidden or unclear. It's about clarifying or revealing something that was previously unknown or not understood. Now, let's see shadow lifting in action. Imagine you're reading a mystery novel, and the detective finally uncovers the vital clue. You could say, the detective's discovery was like shadow lifting, revealing the truth behind the crime. It's all about that moment of clarity and understanding. While it's not a common phrase, shadow lifting can be a powerful way to describe moments of revelation or clarity in various contexts. For instance, if you've been struggling with a complex concept in a class, and suddenly it all makes sense, you might say, "Finally understanding calculus was like shadow lifting for me." Interestingly, shadow lifting has roots in literature and can be linked to moments of enlightenment or revelation in stories and poems. It's often used to describe scenes where a character or a situation undergoes a significant transformation, usually from a state of confusion to one of clarity. So there you have it, shadow lifting, a phrase that beautifully captures the essence of enlightenment and understanding. We hope this video sheds light on this unique expression and you can use it to add depth to your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.